Good morning, student. Today's topic is monosex culture. Monosex culture is based on culture of fish by producing all males or all females depending upon the sex which have better food conversion ratio and growth rate. In monosex culture, you can grow either sex. It may be a female or it may be a male according to need and food conversion ratio in which you can take a faster growth rate fish, and meat is also available and other byproducts are available in shorter duration of time and with less input. So meaning of monosex culture or sex reversal, these fishes are genetically determined by sex chromosomes. The chromosomes are distinguished as a two type of chromosomes. One is known as the autosome and another one is known as the sex chromosome. There are two pair of the chromosomes. One is known as the autosome and another one is known as the sex chromosomes. In the sex reversal, only the sex chromosome is needed or can be reversed, but autosome number and their function cannot be reversed or altered. The distinguished character on the cytological basis is difficult in the fishes because they are very tiny and usually numerous, large number of chromosomes, and they are small and large in number. And in deep sea fishes like the Bathycles rhynanthi, the X chromosome in Chaetotop is larger than Y chromosomes and which is short. So only very few fishes have the distinguished character in the sex chromosomes. Otherwise, in the general fishes, due to the small size and large number, and there are no distinguished character in the sex chromosome. So you can't identify at the initial level of the development. But in other group like the in mammals, females are the homogametic, which have the XX chromosomes, and male is the heterogametic. But in bird, it is the opposite. Female is the WY, and male is the XY, and male may be YY. So there are distinguished character. But in fishes, both systems are present, but system is not differentiated at the time of the hatching. You can't distinguish male and female at the time of hatching until their gonads are not differentiated. And when their gonads are developed, they are it is very late time. They have already matured, so there can't be a sex reversal or alteration in the sex chromosomes is not possible. The advantage in the male fishes, they typically grow faster, they have the faster growth rate than the female, and they are average 15% larger than the female. So there are two differentiate characteristics. They can grow faster than female and they have the 15% larger than the female. An interesting phenomena has been observed in the sexes in fish can be reversed. So male can be converted into the functional female or female can be converted into the functional male. So when male become female or female become male, it is known as the sex reversal or monosex culture. This can done artificially with the treatment of male hormone androgen named the testosterone or androgenic C19 steroid. Androgenic C19 steroid and the female hormone that is the estrogen and it is known as the C18. It is known as the C18 steroid. So male hormone, androgen hormone that is known as the C19 and female hormone is known as the C18. Sex reversal has many advantages in the fish farming, but the great advantage is that such hormone treated fish cannot be used for the human consumption. Once you treat fish with the artificially with any hormone, FAO Fish Organization doesn't permit that fish for the human consumption. Only fish treated with the hormone can be used for the alteration in the genetic character or can be used for the next generation. So whatever alteration you get and product of that alteration received in second generation which are not treated with any hormone can be used for the human consumption. In many fishes, sex is reversed in the following way. The many fishes like the rainbow trout, Atlantic salmon, coho salmon, tilapia, goldfish, grass carp, they all are very economically important fish and they are preferred by the human for consumption. So alteration in these species can have a great economic value and by administration of the sex hormone at the early stage of the development in the female grass carp which are the homogenetic and treated with the male hormone that is known as the methyl testosterone or shortly named as the MT methyl testosterone causing the sex reversal of the female fish to phenotypic male. Important characteristic the male when female is treated with the MT that become the phenotypically male. One should note a phenotypically male it is not genotypically but they have the genotype that is the XX which has the normal female content. So female have the genotype XX but phenotype male. Sex reversed fish is phenotype male but genotypically XX and when fish are crossed with the normal females should produce the XX progeny because its genetic character was XX. You can see here is a normal female treated with the methyl testosterone and when you treat it with the methyl testosterone due to the sex reversal its phenotypical characteristic will become male. It is known as the sex reversal. It look like the male but genetically they are the female. When again sex reversal fish treated with the methyl testosterone it is the female with the normal characteristic. Now we will put into their gametic forms. So female has the normal female characteristic, male with the normal female characteristic have the chromosome pair XX and the female which have the normal female already have the XX characteristic. When gamete will form X and X, X and X, whenever it is closed, it is working as a male but genetic behavior as a female, and here is the normal female. So male is here phenotypically male crossed with the normal female, but their genes are female. So when they will form the gamete, there will be the female gametes, and it is the normal female which have the normal XX gamete. When any one of cross, either this from this or this from this or any four of the combination will always give the female. So in next generation, first generation, there will be a male or female, and these are the sexually reversal. But in the adult of the F2 generation, second generation, and this is F1 generation. In F2 generation, you can get either all female or either all male. However, the inconsistent feminization response to androgen was surprising. Half of the fish population developed testes and developed into the male, as well as reversed female with sex genotype XY. The mating of female with normal males which have the genotype XY found the super male genotype, that is YY. That is the phenotypically female and phenotypically female, but their genetic characteristic are the male. It is the sexually reproduced. This is the sexually by the changes due to the hormone characteristic hormone, and this is the normal male which have the XY characteristic. So here the phenotypically female which has the earlier it was the male, but due to the treatment with the androgen or sex reversal, it become the phenotypically female, look like the female, but the genetic characteristics are of male. So from two different parents looking like female and originally male, when gametes are produced, so its genetic character have the X and Y, and normal male has the X and Y. When X will combine, it will give the normal female, but when Y will combine with the Y, there will be the two Y characteristic, so super male will form. By interbreeding and sex reversal, you can get the super male with this crossing. Advantage of the monosex culture or the sex reversal. Monosex culture is a solution of overpopulation caused by the high fecundity. Fecundity means growth rate or egg laying capacity of a mature male in a particular single season. In a single season, how much egg they produce, a mature female, is known as the fecundity. So by the stopping the overpopulation or fecundity, high fecundity growth, you can treat with the hormone, and monosex culture can be produced, so they will not cross or not breed and not give the offspring in large number. Monosex culture has advantage. One of the sex have the superior production and better growth and high marketing value. Either male or female have all these characteristics. By the crossing of the sex reversal, we can take a monosex culture or growth of the monosex. In super male, YY are mated with normal female, that is XX. The all spring will be the YY males will produce 100% male, because normal female XX, super male YY. When gametes are formed, the XX and the YY, when X will combine with the Y, it will give the male, and when X will, all of either any of these gametes will cross each other, they always give the male. So by the monosex culture or sex reversal, we can get either complete male or by complete female according to our growth rate choice, high market value choice, superior production choice, or susceptibility of any disease. Thank you.